A day after missing out on the medal round, Philippine basketball coach Yeng Guiao is gradually shifting his focus on forming a competitive squad for the two window games in the FIBA World Cup qualifier next month. Guiao, appointed by the Samahang Basketbol ng Pilipinas (SBP) to handle the team in the two games, while regular coach Chot Reyes serves out his FIBA suspension, met with his coaching staff Tuesday morning to discuss the matter. The Nationals face Iran in Tehran on September 13 and Qatar on September 17 in Manila. According to Guiao, there is concern with the eligibility of three players, Greg Slaughter, Christian Standhardinger and Stanley Pringle, who have naturalized status, as per FIBA rules. Pringle and Standhardiner are currently in Guiao's team in the ongoing Asian Games as regular participants, while Slaughter has played in several FIBA-sanctioned events also as a local player. Apparently, however, FIBA has changed its rules and the modifications could affect all three. The 6'8" Phil German Standhardinger actually played as a naturalized participant for the Philippines during the 2017 FIBA Asia Cup in Lebanon, where the national team placed 7th overall. "We have to decide who among the three we'll use as naturalized player," said Guiao. "As you know, we can only use one naturalized player in the FIBA World Cup qualifiers." Andre Blach, the naturalized player of Hellas, has been suspended by the world governing body for 3 games for his role in the FIBA World Cup qualifier between the Philippines and Australia early last month at the Philippine Arena in Bacoor, Bulacan. Asked of the possibility of Marcus Douthit, a naturalized Filipino who participated in FIBA Games from 2011 to 2013, Guiao said the matter has yet to be discussed, although the 6'11" Douthit had already expressed his desire to be reactivated. "We'll take that into consideration," said Guiao, adding that putting up a solid frontline is a must since the pool is already without the injured Junmar Fajardo, and the Philippines will face an Iran powered by former NBA player and 7'2" center Hamed Haddadi. As for other potential players, Guiao, who had his staff scout the Iran-Japan game, said we asked for Alex Cabagnet, Marcio Lassiter, Scotty Thompson and Ian Sangalang for the qualifiers, then we'll add them up to the core of the team in the Asian Games. Iran easily downed a depleted Japanese team 93-67. They're able to see the Iran game, and we'll start from there.